Former Chattanooga Police Chief Celeste Murphy has now been indicted and booked into the Hamilton County Jail on 17 felony and misdemeanor charges. This comes the day after she handed in a resignation to Chattanooga Mayor Tim Kelly. News 12's Nick Hill has been looking into those charges and some information that he's dug up. What'd you find, Nick?
Celeste Murphy once came into Chattanooga with hopes of improving the Chattanooga Police Department. However, today she walked into the Hamilton County Jail as a police chief, no longer facing 17 charges.
We will be the model that sets the standard for other cities in having a robust police-community relationship.
Despite her opening statements from 2022, TBI investigators allege Murphy falsified her information to apply for a Tennessee driver's license and voter registration, among other documents. Here's a list of the charges she was indicted on. These include 3 counts of forgery, 3 counts of perjury, 3 counts of false entries into governmental records, a false entry on an election document and illegal voter registration, and 6 counts of official misconduct. A Hamilton County grand jury indicted Murphy on all of these charges following the TBI's investigation into her residency. They say it was at the request of D. Michael Donovan, the District Attorney General pro tem in this case, after Hamilton County District Attorney General Cody Wamp recused herself. It is unclear how the TBI was tipped off in the first place. We looked into Murphy's residency information and found that she is listed as a homeowner in Atlanta according to Fulton County property records in Georgia. We have blurred out the address, but on multiple documents on the Fulton County Property Records website, she is listed as having purchased a home in September 2020 for $380,000 and is still listed as being one of 2 primary homeowners. Property tax logs show that taxes were still paid on the home. Meanwhile, a look at Hamilton County property record shows that she is not listed as a homeowner in Chattanooga. In terms of reactions, the Chattanooga Police Department and Mayor Tim Kelly have not spoken Thursday on the indictment, having spoken about her resignation on Wednesday. Meanwhile, Hamilton County Mayor Weston Wamp said in a social media post that, in part, quote, "Today is a sad day for our community. Those of us who have been entrusted to serve the public have a responsibility to keep that trust. The Chattanooga Police Department is a revered law enforcement agency, and I am confident will thrive again under new leadership," end quote. Additionally, the Fraternal Order of Police, a police union, stated in part, quote, "It is a disappointing day for law enforcement when an officer or chief is indicted for acting outside of the law and tarnishes the badge we all proudly wear," end quote. Murphy did bail herself out this morning after being booked into the Hamilton County Jail. She is due in court in Hamilton County next month on these charges. Reporting live, Nick Hill, News 12.